Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my video. So in this video I will show you how to hack Subway Surfer game. So let's start. First we download the mod APK file of Subway Surfer. I have already downloaded this file, so I will give you link in description. So download it. I have already installed this mod APK. Only I am showing you this file, Subway Surfer mod. So you need to install it, and I will show you how it is work. With some It's very easy to install. So loading. Now you can check the coins in millions. You can see. Enjoy it and subscribe my channel.